students, welcome to Ssc Cgl classes. So today we are going to solve the question from quantitative aptitude, and the question is that is been asked is the last day of a century cannot be. We need to find out the days, the probable days which cannot be the last day of a century Okay, we will solve that out. For the solution, we may write the 100 years contain 5 odd days. The 100 years that contain 5 odd days, or the last day of the century, last day of first century is Friday. And the 200 years contain 5 into 2, and that will be 10, or in other case we can say it will be 3 odd days. 3 odd days. And the last day of second century is Wednesday. The last day of second century is Monday. So the 400 years contain 0 odd day. 400 years contain 0 odd days. So the last day of 4th century would be the last day of 4th century would be Sunday. So the cycle will be repeated. We can see the cycle is repeated. So the last day of the century cannot be Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. So the answer would be option C, that is Tuesday. So this will be the right answer. Thanks for watching. Hello students, welcome again to Ssc Cgl classes. So today we are going to solve the next question. And the next question is, what will be the day of the week 15th August in 2010? We need to find out the day in 15th August of 2010. So let's move on to the solution. So the 15th August 2010 includes 2009, whole days of 2009, plus the period of 1st January 2010 to 15/8/2010. So odd days in 1600 years will be 0. Odd days in 1600 years, that will be 0, and odd days in 400 years would be 0, and after that the 9 years is equal to then 9 years is equal to 2 leap years, and after that 7 ordinary years, 7 ordinary years, and that will be 2 into 2 plus 7 into 1, and that equals to 11 odd days, or 4 odd days. So the total days in this tenure would be 227 days. That includes 32 weeks plus 3 days. So that will be equal to 3 odd days. The total number of odd days would be 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3, and that will be equal to 7, and that will nullify into 0 odd days. So the given day would be Sunday, the start of the week, as we can say. It is Sunday. So let's move on to the answer part, and let's see which is the correct option. And so the correct option would be option A, that is Sunday. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.